already. Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to use multiple ways when you're doing multiplication. So here's our multiplication problem, 34 times 7. So one way to solve is using a generic rectangle. So to start out, you're going to take the first number and you're going to decompose this, breaking it up into smaller parts. So I'll start out in the tens place, and I have 3 tens. I have 30. And then I have four ones. So I'm putting the tens on the top of this rectangle, and then the 4 is going on top of this rectangle. Now I'm multiplying by 7, so I'm going to say multiply by 7 on the side. Next, I take my tens times the 7, so 30 times 7 gives us 210. Next, I'm going to look at my ones place, and I'm going to take 4 times 7. That gives us 28. Now I'm going to add these two groups together, 210 plus 28. That gives us 8 in the ones place, 3 tens, and I have 238. So 34 times 7 gives us 238. Now I'll show you a different way to do this, which is called partial products. And then we can go back and check and see if we get the same answer. So for partial products, the first thing I'm going to do is decompose the number. So 34 equals 30 plus 4. So 3 tens and 4 ones. Now in parentheses, I'm going to write what I'm going to multiply first. So I'm going to start with the 30, 3 tens, 30, and we're multiplying it by 7, so 30 times 7. Next, so we already took care of our tens, now we'll go down to the ones place. So now I'm going to multiply my 4, and we're multiplying it times 7. Put this in parentheses. So now I can do my multiplication. 30 times 7 gives me 210. 4 times 7 gives me 28. And now it's easy because I've just lined these up, so now I'm going to add my ones, tens, and hundreds. So now I have 8 ones, 3 tens, and 2 in the hundreds. So now I check my answer and see if it's the same. Yes, it is, 238. And now I write it in the multiplication product part. And that's how you multiply with multiple ways.